Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by redeeming the Apple gift card to your Apple ID. Open the App Store or Settings, tap Redeem, then enter the code. Once done, make sure your Apple ID country matches the App Store region where YouTube Premium billing will occur, because mismatched regions block subscription charge attempts. If the balance is insufficient, add a secondary payment method to cover the remainder. This prevents immediate cancellation. Keep receipts and the code until the subscription activates. You now subscribe inside the YouTube app to ensure payment goes through Apple. Open YouTube, tap your profile icon, then tap Get YouTube Premium and pick the correct plan. Once you tap to buy, YouTube will hand the charge to Apple. Confirm the purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Apple will debit your redeemed balance first and then any linked payment method. Make sure to read the renewal terms, because Apple manages billing and cancellations. You finish by verifying the subscription. Check subscriptions under Settings Apple ID and confirm YouTube shows Premium in purchases. If the charge is pending or failed, make sure your App Store region is correct, the redeemed balance covered the charge, and your secondary payment method is valid. If issues persist, gather the receipt and contact Apple support for billing errors. Contact YouTube support if the premium features are not appearing. One tip: log out and back into both.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.